Welcome to another video. Let's get started. So I am making a mini round mum. It's like really small. It's the tiniest circle that they do sell at Hobby Lobby. So what I am doing here is laying out my pieces. So I cut I got like maybe 3 long ribbon strips, and then I cut them into 5-inch pieces so that you don't really need that much ribbon when you're doing the round ones. It is totally up to you on how full you want it to look. So here I am starting out with my first layer of ribbon, and I'm just going to make it look like a ribbon altogether. So you see I did the pieces to the side, and then I'm going to add 2 more pieces in the middle there, and it's going to make it look full. So again, this is totally up to you. You can do as many pieces as you want. And I would recommend this type of mum for like freshmen and sophomore. They usually wear their mums on their shoulders, and the juniors and the seniors usually wear their mums on their chest. At least that's what we did in school. I don't know how it is now, but anyways, so now I'm getting ready to do the second layer of ribbon here, and you can just go over the first layer of ribbon with more glue. It does not matter how much glue is on there, because once you put the flower on, you're not going to be able to see any of that. Again, this is a mini mum. It's from my 5-year-old son because he felt like he needed a mum, so I made him one. But if you want a mini one, this costs maybe like $10 or less for me to make this one. Very cost effective, and your child still gets to have one on that day where everyone is wearing theirs. So, and you can also forgot to add, you can customize the solid ribbons and like put their name on it and everything with stickers and stuff. So the last step before you finish it off is to put that flower on, but make sure you have all the ribbons that you want on there before you put the flower on, because it's going to be kind of hard to add more ribbon under it. And as you see, I'm cutting the stem so it doesn't it doesn't poke my baby in his arm when he's wearing it. And so at this point, you want to get like this little arm ribbon, which they do sell at Hobby Lobby. All of this I found at Hobby Lobby. I know a lot of people go to Michael's, but I don't know how Michael's operate because I don't shop there. So I am putting the arm ribbon on. My son is 5, so his arm isn't that big, but I hope you enjoyed this, and see you in the next video.